Hey everyone, how's everyone doing today? My name is MyMyStylez85. You can call me My, whatever you like. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are not, if you're a subby, hey, what's up? How y'all doing? So anyway, as you see, polish pickup from month March has come in. It came in like a week ago, close to a week ago. And I want to share with you guys what I picked up. I picked up 6 polishes with one being a top coat. So let's go ahead and get into it, shall we? Okay, so the very first polish that I picked up is by Quixotic, and this is my first time purchasing from this brand, and it is so gorgeous. And this is in the shade the Sacred Peacock, which it really does mimic a peacock. It gives you all those beautiful shades that a peacock's tail has. It's just really gorgeous, really gorgeous polish. And I also put it on my swatch stick because, as you guys know, I have a lot of polishes that I have to swatch you know, on my collection. So I think what I'm going to do also is continue what I have been doing, but if I pick up any polishes, I'm going to go ahead and swatch it when I pick it up, and I'll show you guys it, because it's going to be way too overwhelming if I hold on to it and then I got to go back, and you know, I don't want to do all that. So we're going to go ahead and do that. But anyway, it took, well, it didn't take, I put 2 coats on my swatch sticks, and if it needs more, I will do that on my nails, but I'm not going to waste it on my swatch stick. So there you go. See, if I get any closer, it looks kind of funky. So this was 2 coats right here. And do I think it'll probably need more? Maybe one more, I think, for my length of nails, definitely. But it's so gorgeous, so gorgeous, and that is the Sacred Peacock. The next one I bought is another new to me brand, and this is by Poetry Cowgirl. And this one had me chuckling because I love the name of it. It's called Booty Scootin', and I thought that was so cute. And I love the meaning behind it. Look it up. It's funny. So, yeah. I don't know if it's going to really pick up well. For some reason, it's not picking up well, but there's so many flakies in this that shifts from green to blue and slightly yellow as well. So here it is on my swatch stick. And this one, it has a bunch of flakies in it, so you're definitely going to need a third coat on this one. See, I can't get any closer, or it just doesn't, it washes it out. So very pretty. Booty Scootin' by Poetry Cowgirl. Okay, so my next polish that I picked up is by KB Shimmer, and this is gorgeous. This one's on my nails now, and this one is in the shade Soul What, and this is such a beautiful shade. It is packed with flakies galore in it. And I'll show you a picture of my nails because, like I said, I have it on my nails. So anyway, this is on the swatch stick, which honestly is just not going to do you any good because you need to look up there. So for the swatch stick was only 2 coats. For my nails, I had to put 3 coats for it to be just fully opaque for my liking. It's really gorgeous. I'm just gonna show you my nails. And somebody, I always forget her name. Forgive me, girl. I'm gonna put her name down somewhere in here. She didn't give me the idea, but I had posted it on my IG, which you should follow me, and she was like, by far this is her favorite polish for 2020 so far, and she put a matte top coat over it. So honestly, I think that's what I'm gonna do today. I want to see what it will look like. I think it'll look actually pretty dope. So yeah, so this is in the shade Soul What by KB Shimmer. Gorgeous. All right, so let's move on. The next one is by Cupcake Polish. This is another one that is a new to me brand. I have not bought anything from Cupcake Polish, and this is this really gorgeous aqua color. Very, very beautiful. Jam packed with flakies. These iridescent, I mean, they're just gorgeous flakies in here. It's just washing out the, I mean, my camera is just not even, it's a bright blue, bluish green aqua color, but man, like in person it is gorgeous. And this is what it looks like on the swatch stick right here. It is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. There's so many flakies in here. I'm sure it's not going to be hard to remove or anything, but so pretty. And it's so hard to pick up, unfortunately. All right, so that one, I didn't even tell you the name of it. I'm so sorry. That was in the shade Bathhouse by Cupcake Polish. All right, and then my last actual color polish is by Ethereal Lacquer, Ethereal Polish, I don't know. Okay, so anyway, this is a new to me brand as well, and this one is in the shade Zenobia. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It is gorgeous, really gorgeous color. And this is what it looks like on the swatch stick. Now that is really picking up great. Okay, maybe I'll do it without my hand being back. But that is real, that shift right there, that orangey shift, I mean, is gorgeous. And then you do on the edges get like a greenish bluey shift. It's really, really pretty. Have not worn it yet. I just got it. The only one that I've worn is this KB Shimmer. But that is in the shade Zenobia. So pretty. Okay, so the last one is not a polish. It's a top coat. And this one is by Glisten Glow. And this is another one that that is a new to me brand. Yeah, it's only a top coat, but this is a top clear, shiny, and fast drying top coat. So I have worn this. I wore it over, was it this? Or was it my last manicure? I think it was over my last manicure when I wore it over this jelly bean one, Tutti Frutti. I think it was that, because I don't think I have it on my nails. I don't remember putting this one over my nails, but either way it goes, I have worn this before, and I'm gonna be completely honest, I didn't like it. And I mean, I really didn't. And I know it's like, okay, it's a top coat, girl. I guess because the smell is unbearable for me. It reminds me of Sèche Vite. It's too strong for me. Like, I don't know if I was just not feeling it that day, but it was so strong. So strong. Now, you guys know I've been using Out the Door. And this one is so much waterier. Like, it is more liquidy, I guess you would say, than this. The smell to this is bearable for a top coat, but this reminds me of Sèche Vite, which I absolutely love Sèche Vite. I loved that one for the longest, because that shine is like no other. Now, don't get me wrong. It gave me the shine. It gave me the fast drying effect, and you know, it all, but the smell is just too much for my liking. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this one. Why is my dog's like staring? She looks funny. Anyway, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this one or put it along with the giveaway that I'm putting together, because your girl, I just don't, I'm not feeling these strong smells. I just ain't feeling it. Like, I don't have a window in my polish room. so I have to keep the door open always, and it was just it was too much for me. Maybe I'll give it another try another day, but remember when I was just saying that I need to finish my, what is it called, my project polish? This was one of them. Maybe that was God's way of saying, girl, stop and use what you got first. So yeah, not too thrilled. Shine is great. Fasting effect was great, but smell is horrible. Anyway, let me know how you guys feel about this Glisten Glow. I mean, I know it's like a really big favorite. A lot of you love it, but for those that don't, just let me know, like, is that your reasoning? Because the smell is just unbearable. Anyway, all right, so that's it, you guys. That is all of the polishes that I picked up from Polish Pickup to Polish Pickup. Now I gotta look at it. What month was it? Y'all, I'm forgetting the months. Polish Pickup for March. I'm seeing April come out for obviously the sneak peeks and seeing all. I haven't seen anything that was just like wowing me like this month. I mean March, but we'll see if I pick up anything. It's not going to be one of those things that I already messed up this whole year already by buying polishes that keep buying and not using up the ones that I have. So I'm not sure if I'm going to buy anything from Polish Pickup this upcoming month. Well, April. We will see. But anyway, you guys, also I just want to put it out there. I am going to, my next video will be the haul polishes that I picked up for March, other than the Polish Pickup that I just showed you. And I will have them swatched already for you guys, because I'm just at this place where I have so much polish that I have to get through this. I have to get through these polishes and swatching, and the way that I'm going now is just, it ain't gonna work. So anyway, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are staying safe and all that good stuff. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye.